We've lived in Berlin for almost 4 years, and we thought we'd seen it. We were wrong, because we had never stepped inside RAW-Gelände, and we had walked past Holzmarkt more times than we can count. We thought we knew Berlin, but we didn't. If you also think you've seen Berlin, maybe you haven't gone deep enough. We are in Friedrichshain. RAW-Gelände is a former railway repair yard. Huge brick halls, open country yards. In summer this place is packed. Today it's winter. Cold, quiet, almost empty. Which makes it even easier to ignore. At first it just looked like old brick buildings. And we thought, maybe this is why we never came. But then we walked deeper, and suddenly it didn't felt empty. It felt alive. There is climbing hall inside one of the old warehouses. A second-hand shop around the corner. Skates rolling through the country yard. It shouldn't walk, but it does. This is Berlin doing the Berlin does best. Would you keep walking or turn around here? If you like exploring cities the way they actually feel, stay with us. That's how we travel almost always. RAW isn't the kind of place you add because someone told you to. It's the kind of place you add when you want to feel the city.
Right near East Side Gallery there is a RAW Hub. It's one of the oldest railway depot in Berlin and turned into a cultural urban spot.
And the more you walk here, the more you notice something. Berlin doesn't erase. It doesn't demolish everything that feels outdated. It keeps the structure, and then it fills it with something new. Nothing matches. Different styles, different eras, different cultures. And somehow they are not competing. They are coexisting. In a lot of cities, things are cleaned up. Here, they are layered. And that layering, that what makes Berlin feels different. If you only visit monuments, you'll see Berlin, but you won't feel it. From the street, Holzmarkt looks like architecture. From inside, it feels like a neighborhood. We had seen it so many times. We just never went inside.
We like this wall since very beginning we here in Berlin.
It wasn't built by a big developer trying to clean up the area. It grew out of Berlin's club and alternative scene. That's why it feels different. There is space to sit for hours, space for kids to run around, space for concerts, markets, small events. It's not designed to push you through quickly. It's designed to let you stay. And that's rare. In many cities, waterfront areas become polished and expensive. Here, it still feels human. Rough edges, wooden structures, open terraces facing the Spree. You don't feel like you are inside a shopping concept. You feel like you are inside a community. And that's what makes it special in Berlin. If you want to check Berlin off your list, go to the standard spots. But if you want to feel Berlin, go inside places like this. From the outside, they look optional. From the inside, they change how the city feels. Next, we are exploring a completely different side of Berlin. Don't miss what we are coming next. But Berlin is just the beginning. We are exploring cities across Europe the same way. Not to rate them, but to feel them.